Okay, I think that's scrambled enough. Hey guys, today I'm going to be solving these two Rubik's Cubes. I'm going to be solving this one first, and then this one. A Rubik's Cube's pretty popular, so I think you'll know what these are. And if you don't, then, well, the Rubik's Cubes. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to start with this one. 3, 2, 1. And done. Okay, now I'm going to solve this one. It might take a little longer, but I'll do it. 3, 2, 1. One day I'll probably make a video on how to solve these. If you're wondering why I'm not looking at it, I can remember the moves with my hands, not with my brain, so that's why I do it really fast, because if I do it too slow, then I'm gonna have to remember with my brain, which I don't. And if you have no idea what I said, then it's probably because of the noise of the Rubik's Cube, but whatever. Okay. So I solved both of these, and I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. And also, if you want to become a captain, then click the subscribe button, and if you like this video, then click the like button, and if you don't like this video, then just click the like button. And as always, bye bye.